My name is Chinonyerem Odimba and I'm the writer of The Toll. The experience of working on the play with the students has been incredible, really. In taking on the role of writer-in-residence here at Royal Welsh, knew that I was writing a new play for the students. And towards the end of 2020, we had a week of R&D in a room where we really explored. At that point I hadn't started writing the play, so we really explored some of the bigger universal themes around the play, and that helped me to decide, in a sense, what I was writing. And it felt important to write a play that was an ensemble piece and that really gave each student an opportunity to shine in their strengths and the things that they bring to the room. So the whole experience has been very different for me as a writer, but I've kind of loved the dialogue between me, the writer, the play and the story, and then the students. And that dialogue has not always been easy, but it's kept pushing the story. And I think that's the thing that I've really appreciated in the process. And having a team around the play who are helping to build the skills that the students need to come into the story, I think has also been really important, to work with students specifically on what that play needs. I think that's a very unique thing. So I've enjoyed it. It's been strange and it's been new, but it's definitely been fun.